Hello, I'm Bilal from Flexy Cars. I'm with my colleague Andre. We're going to show you today how to clean interior of this car. It's a Ford Focus 2017, grey outside, black inside, with the red touches on the seats. Coming to upholstery cleaning, mixing with water. So basically what you do is you take 3 liters of this and you add about 17 liters water with this. So what I have done is, this is the vacuum cleaner, this is the vacuum cleaner that will clean the interior. So this came out of here. If you can see, I already put in the upholstery cleaning. This is for commercial use because we do have a lot of cars that we clean. We mixed it with water. I'm going to put everything back in the box and then I'll show you how we do the cleaning. Everything is ready. I'm going to show you before and after of this seat. This is driver's seat. We're going to clean the door card. It's plastic here, it's fabric here. So step by step, we're going to show you how we're going to clean.
This is vacuum cleaner. So I use it for cleaning the seat. This is brush. So the first step of this step is to inject the solution. Let me start it. Inject the solution on the seat. Yeah. This seat is very dirty, so you need more solution. After that, you take the brush and you brush all the seat to remove the dirt. You can see how foam is change the color because of the dirt. Yeah, and you do this 1 time, 2 times, anytime you want, as long as you need to see the clean. So I injected the solution with these tools and I brush it to remove the dirt, and after that I extracted. Immediately I show you. So I stopped from brushing and I started the vacuum cleaner and I start to, you can see the dirt I extract from the seat. Very dirty. So one step, so you see the difference, how dirt, very dirty. Look, it's almost black. So I can say earlier, you repeat this step until she's cleaned all the seat. Right now you see other dirt, cannot see earlier, but right now we see because already has cleaned it, most of it. You repeat the step. You brush it again. You brush it until the seat is clean. You injected the solution. Two times, 3 times. You do this until the seat is perfectly clean. Yeah. We will see immediately if you need to repeat this step. As you can see, it's dirt, so you need to repeat this. Not very hard, but you need to press it, yeah, to Yeah, come just like this to be sure you extract from deep the dirt. Yeah, if you don't extract like this, the dirt will come out. So you need to be sure she doesn't come out. You need to spray it again and to clean it again. Yeah, look, the dirt is almost gone. We have here some of paint, I think, so you need to brush it. We need to insist a little bit. From the back is the same process we have done here.
We have shown you the seats, how to do the seats. So we've shown you on seats before and after. And now we're going to show you how to clean the plastic on the door cart and fabric on the door cart. This we do it with brush, the plastic, and this we have to use a vacuum cleaner.
I will start it with plastic. First, I will spray the compound that we used earlier. So it's the same stuff. You use it on the seat, so you use it on the plastic as well. Yeah, you spray it on the fabric and brush it. Yeah, every angle, every corner, to remove all the dirt. Now you wipe it and you can see it's clean. Clean. And right now, if you need another step, you can see, but in this case it's clean. You don't need another step. So right now, in this case, the plastic is clean. You don't need to repeat this step, but if you have to, in another cars, you need to repeat these steps if it's dirty. So from the fabric on the door, you use it vacuum cleaner to remove the dirt. You spray it a little bit. Earlier I barely brushed it. Then I use the vacuum to remove the dirt. As you can see here, it remains some painting, so you need to remove it. You brush it, here the same, you brush it as long as it needs to be removed. For this, we need to do just like do earlier. You spray it, yeah. Need to cloth to be sprayed too. Then we wipe it until she's clean. Yeah. all the car, all the parts from here need to be wiped. As you can see, already is clean. When you need here some dirt, you need to press this and have access on the dirt, and to be sure it's clean.